Hey there coding enthusiast, welcome back to IMS Coding. Today we are going to create our first HTML page. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open your Visual Studio Code, and if you haven't installed Visual Studio Code in your machine, please do check out our previous video. In that video, I have shown you how to install Visual Studio Code in your machine. Here I am opening Visual Studio Code. It's a very powerful code editor. Here I have to open a folder, so I opened a folder called source code. Now what I am writing here, you will find all the source code in the description. Let's create a new HTML file by clicking on new file option, and I am naming it index.html. Here HTML is the extension for HTML file like MP4 or MP3 media files. Visual Studio Code automatically recognizes the .html extension. Now let's start coding. Type HTML. This is the starting tag of our HTML document. It tells the computer that this is an HTML file, and close this HTML tag. HTML file is a collection of tags. There are lots of tags in HTML, and the HTML tag is main tag. All the code should be written inside this tag. Every HTML tag has an opening and closing tag. In some cases, this condition might be false. Next, add a head tag inside the HTML tag. This is the opening and this is the closing head tag. Inside this head tag, add a title tag and add some title here. After head tag, add a body tag. And what we have seen on a web page, all that written inside body tag. This is a very important tag. Inside our body, I am going to create a h1 tag, which is heading tag. And inside this heading, I am typing hello world. Now this is the basic syntax of HTML. Save this file. Now right click here and you will find an option of open with live server. If this option is not showing to you, go to extension section and install an extension called live server. We have installed this extension in our previous video. So after installing the extension, you will find this option here. Just click on this option. And now you can see here our HTML page is opened in our browser. So what we have typed in our body, that is showing here, and the title is showing here. Congratulations for your very first HTML page. And if you want the source code, then please do check out in the description. So if you found this video helpful, like this video and share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon, so you will never miss any new update whenever I upload a new video. And this video is a part of our HTML and CSS beginners guide course, so please do check out our course. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding everyone.